Hey fellas, welcome to Friendship Shaving for a show and tell video and the announcement of a giveaway today. So I received a box in the post this morning from Chris Spencer, who used to be Backroads Gold on Etsy, and Chris spent many years restoring and replacing vintage razors, and he has given that up and passed the torch on to another gentleman. And Chris has got a new venture and sent me a couple of items today to share with you. Now, here I have a little 3D printed case for my Gillette adjustable Super 109 razor, and let me tell you guys, it's beautifully made. It's really well made. Now I've put my razor inside it already. It opens up just like that. It will go completely flat. And inside here, it also comes with a split back razor blade case. So you can have your new razor blades and your used razor blades in there. That fits very nicely in the case. And this is my Gillette Super 109. It's not the best 109 in the whole world, but it's mine and it's rather fantastic, and it's gonna look great in my display cabinet in this beautiful case. The razor fits exactly so, and you can see there are some little magnets there to hold it closed. If you are traveling and you've put one of these in your dot bag or something like that, guys, it's fantastic. There it is. So Chris, thank you very much for my gift, and thank you very much for the giveaway, which I will talk about in a moment. Chris has always been a very good friend to me and a good friend to the channel, and throughout his career replating razors, Chris has given away some beautiful giveaways on the channel. But he also sent me a rather special little gift, and of course when they came they were beautifully wrapped up, but I've opened them. But you can see Chris's details there, his Etsy shop and email address. And Chris has been kind enough to send me the last item that he ever restored and replated, and it comes in this very special little case. Guys, I think they're fantastic. And what this is oh, there's a good clip on that. It fits tight. What this is, guys, is like a little travel tech, and the razor handle comes apart, and screws together like that. The bottom of the handle is hollow to fit the top part when you pack it away. And this is made in England. And it's a beautifully restored little travel tech. It's absolutely brilliant, guys. So this is for me, a very kind gift and a very special gift, because it was the last razor that Chris restored and replated a back rose gold. So there we go, absolutely brilliant. The little case it comes in is phenomenal as well. And everything. That's very clever. That just screws right in there. And the fit on these cases is just so. It's superb. So there we go. We have little and large. So Chris is very kindly offering a giveaway. So there'll be a giveaway to those of you in America and a giveaway to those of us in Europe and the rest of the world. The giveaway is for whichever case you would like from Chris's Etsy store. So it might be for a Super 109, or it might be for a Fat Boy, or a Slim, or whatever Chris has got in stock there. Also, if you have a nice razor that you would just like a case for, Chris will make you the case for your razor, but you would have to send your razor to Chris so that he can get the exact measurements, because it's all done with computer aided design and this, that and the other, and you know, there we go. So it's an exact fit in the case. So that's the giveaway, case of your choice. One for America, one for Europe, and the rest of us. So there we are. If you would like to have one of these rather stunning cases, put your name down in the comments to this video with US or world. So if you're not in the US, let's just do world. And there we go. That is going to be the giveaway. Now I'm going to announce the winner on a shaving video. My next video will be with a straight razor, a very special straight razor that I have had some difficulty honing. So I'll be showing that razor off and talking about my experience and the help I've received from the gentleman that forges the razors that I'm going to use. The video after that will be with my Gillette Super 109, and in this video I'll announce the winners to the giveaway. So you've got a couple of weeks and you can get one of these cases, and I urge you to go and have a look. Because they are very, very well made, guys. Really great. So there we go. So thank you for watching, fellas. Please do take part in the giveaway if it grabs your fancy. And Chris, thank you once again for your generosity to everyone who watches my channel. It's very, very kind of you. I've always appreciated your friendship, and you all take care. I'll see you next time around. All the very best now. Bye-bye, fellas.